Welcome back to Elite Planify. If this is your first time here, welcome to the channel. Let's get started. Before we begin, this template includes a detailed instructions page to guide you through every feature. You'll also find a link to our website for more productivity templates, along with our support email if you need any assistance. Here you'll see navigation buttons. Simply click any button to jump directly to its corresponding section. Next, you'll find a sample template included for reference, so you can see how everything is organized and used. Once you're done reviewing the instructions and sample template, switch to the Setup tab. This is where you'll configure the workbook before you start recording your business transactions. First, select your currency, then choose the Start Month and Start Year. These settings determine the reporting period used throughout the workbook. The coverage period below updates automatically to show all the months included in your bookkeeping records. Use the Notes section to record important milestones, achievements, or any other business updates you'd like to keep for future reference. Next, fill in your income streams and expense categories. These lists become the drop-down options you'll use later when logging your income and expenses, so customize them to match your business. On the right, you'll find the Profit Goals table. Here, enter your monthly profit target for each year. The workbook automatically calculates the yearly total, monthly average, minimum, and maximum values, helping you monitor your long-term business goals. Below that is the Business Goals section, where you can write your financial objectives, such as increasing revenue, reducing expenses, or expanding your business. Next, let's switch to the Income tab. This is where you'll record all the income your business receives. For each transaction, enter the date, ID, or invoice number, if applicable, product or service, category, amount, tax, fees, and any notes. Make sure to select the category from the income streams you created in the Setup tab for consistent reporting. The net income column is calculated automatically by subtracting the tax and fees from the total amount, so you only need to enter the transaction details. At the top of the sheet, you'll see a live summary displaying your total amount, total tax, total fees, and total net income. These figures update automatically as you add or edit transactions, allowing you to quickly monitor your business income at any time. Similar to the Income tab, the Expenses tab is where you'll record all your business expenses. For each expense, enter the date, ID, item or product, category, amount, tax, fees, and any notes. Select the appropriate category from the expense categories you created in the Setup tab to keep your records organized and your reports accurate. The net expense is calculated automatically after subtracting the tax and fees, so you only need to enter the transaction details. At the top of the sheet, you'll find a live summary displaying your total amount, total tax, total fees, and total net expense. These values update automatically as you log your expenses, giving you a clear overview of your business spending throughout the year. Next, let's switch to the Monthly Dashboard tab. This page provides a complete overview of your business performance for a selected month. Start by selecting the month and year at the top. The dashboard will automatically pull all the income and expense data you've entered for that period. You'll instantly see key metrics including total income, total expenses, profit or loss, and your profit margin, giving you a quick snapshot of how your business performed during the month. Below, the income and expenses tables provide a detailed category-wise breakdown. Each table shows the net amount, tax, and total for every income stream and expense category you created in the Setup tab. These values are populated automatically based on the transactions you've logged. On the right, you'll also find your profit goal progress. The dashboard compares your actual monthly profit with the goal you set in the Setup tab, showing how much is left to reach your target, or if you've already exceeded it, how much you've surpassed your goal by. Since this is a fully automated dashboard, there's nothing to enter here. Simply continue logging your income and expenses, and this page will update automatically with the latest insights into your business performance. Next, switch to the Annual Dashboard tab. Select or edit the calendar year you want to analyze, and the entire dashboard will automatically update for that year. At the top, you'll see a quick summary of your income, expenses, profit/loss, profit margin, and your annual profit goal progress. Next is the annual overview table, which displays your income, expenses, profit, and profit margin for each month. Since we've only entered income and expense records for July, you'll currently see values only for July, while the remaining months will populate automatically as you continue logging transactions throughout the year. Further down, you'll find detailed annual breakdown tables for profit, income, and expenses. These tables show yearly totals, as well as month-by-month values for every income stream and expense category, making it easy to analyze trends and compare performance across the year. Everything on this page updates automatically based on the data you enter in the Income and Expenses tabs, giving you a complete overview of your business performance for the selected year. Next, switch to the 5-Year Dashboard tab. Similar to the annual dashboard, this page provides a 5-year overview of your business performance. Simply select the starting calendar year, and the dashboard will automatically display a 5-year overview beginning from that year. Since we've only entered data for 2026, you'll currently see values only for that year. As you continue logging transactions over the coming years, this dashboard will automatically track your income, expenses, profit, profit margin, and yearly category breakdowns across the selected 5-year period. Next, switch to the Custom Dashboard tab. Similar to the other dashboards, this page provides a summary of your income, expenses, profit/loss, profit margin, along with detailed income and expense breakdowns by category. The main difference is that here, you can select a custom start date and end date. The dashboard will automatically analyze and display all transactions that fall within the selected date range, making it easy to review your business performance for any specific period. Next, switch to the Comparison Dashboard tab. This dashboard lets you compare up to 3 different date ranges side by side. Simply enter the start and end dates for each period, and the dashboard will automatically display the income, expenses, profit/loss, and profit margin for each range. Below, you'll also find detailed income and expense breakdowns by category, making it easy to compare your business performance across different time periods. Next, switch to the Sales Tax tab. Select the calendar year you want to review, and the page will automatically summarize your total tax, collected total tax paid, and the difference for that year. Below, you'll find monthly breakdown tables for both sales tax and fees, showing values collected from your income and expenses records. Everything on this page updates automatically based on the transactions you've logged, making it easy to monitor your tax and fee totals throughout the year. Finally, switch to the Balance Sheet tab. This page helps you track your business's financial position over multiple years. Simply enter your values under the appropriate sections for each year, and the totals will update automatically. Start by recording everything your business owns under the Assets section. This is divided into current assets, fixed long-term assets, and other assets. As you enter values for items like cash, inventory, equipment, or other business assets, the total assets will be calculated automatically. Next, enter everything your business owes under the Liabilities section. This includes both current liabilities and long-term liabilities. The sheet will automatically calculate your total liabilities. Below that is the Owner's Equity section, where you can record items such as your investment capital and retained earnings. The workbook then calculates the total liabilities and owner's equity. You'll also notice a check should be 0 value. This is a built-in validation that confirms whether your balance sheet is balanced. If this value is anything other than 0, it means your assets do not equal your liabilities plus owner's equity, and you should review your entries. At the bottom of the page, you'll find several financial ratios that are calculated automatically. Debt ratio shows what percentage of your assets is financed through debt. Lower values generally indicate lower financial risk. Current ratio measures your ability to pay short-term obligations using your current assets. A value above 1 usually indicates healthy short-term liquidity. Working capital is calculated as current assets minus current liabilities, showing how much cash is available to run your day-to-day operations. Assets to equity ratio shows how much of your assets are supported by your owner's investment. Higher values indicate greater use of external financing. Debt to equity ratio compares your total debt to your owner's equity, helping you understand how leveraged your business is. As you update your balance sheet each year, all totals, validation checks, and financial ratios will recalculate automatically, giving you a clear overview of your business's financial health. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Elite Planify, and hit the notification bell. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.